Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Buck Does It. We had a little problem this past week. My air conditioning went out, so that's going to put a halt on the 455 finishing. I could still build. I still have parts that I accumulated, but you know, I had to go out with the old air temp. It was leaking. I think if you saw the short I had, it was leaking on one condenser tube underneath the bracket. It's real hard to fix. So excuse me, I'll show you here in a minute. But I had to get a whole new unit, and had that. I installed it, and I had a friend of mine come down and hook the lines up and charge it. We're all back to normal again, chilling, which is a good thing in 90-degree weather. So just show you. You see, you got a new unit over there, and it's running. So gotta do what you gotta do, right? Well, anyway, this is the first time in probably a year or so that I didn't take that I didn't do something every day to either the Buck or the Cruda. But I'm back at it today. I missed probably about 3 days. I didn't do anything to either car. I might have cleaned something up or other, but not much has progress. But 455 is coming together. I just got the timing cover on. I had to put these nuts and stuff because my bolts are too long here, the ones I had laying around. They do sell a whole timing bolt kit, which I was going to order, but the air conditioning ate my wallet up, so my wallet's empty right now. But I do have the gaskets, put the heads on, you can do the intake. I'm getting ready to clean the oil pan now. I got a little bit of rust down in there. We'll clean all this up. Got some acetone and some carb cleaner and all kinds of stuff. We'll get all that straightened out. And then I want to I can put the heads on. We can put the oil pan on next, and then work on the heads and intake. The intake I got to do a little bit of port matching, and probably put the manifolds on too, and then that's it until I build up pay that bill off, and be able to buy the parts I need for there. What I need for here to go into the Buck would be motor mounts, exhaust, throttle cable, hoses, belts. I got to figure out all the pulleys, but I could probably figure out all the pulleys, and I have some old belts laying around that I could just put on there to just make sure they're lined up and stuff. And but I'm going to keep progressing on this, and I'll keep updating you on my progress. And but we're only going to go so far. This thing's not going to make it to the No Name Nationals. It's just not, because I have other things I need to spend money on than this. So like in air conditioning, and then I got to put tires on the trailer, get that all straightened out, and tags on the truck, and so it just keeps adding up and adding up. But we'll get this together. We'll get it back in this winter, or we'll get it into Buck this winter, not back in, but we'll get it in there, and I'll keep you updated. And then as I run out of work here, I got a lot of work over there. So lots of content on the way. I got a little more than half the oil pan sanded down. Ran out of battery. That'll clean up okay. Be fine. Should be fine from this to that. Well, I got a coat of paint on the oil pan. I'm going to get that done so it doesn't flash rust on me. Next up, I got to clean up the pickup tube and windage tray there, and then get the bottom and put together, and then put the heads on and intake, and go from there. I'll keep you updated on everything we're doing, and I'll show you my progress on 455. And then once we got a couple things to do to the buck yet too, and I'll make some videos on that. And with that, we're going to end it here, a little short one. And want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. And remember to be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.